Guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're making homemade chocolate. I thought it's boring at home, so I thought it's gonna be fun making chocolate all by myself. So we're gonna start. Before that, subscribe to my channel and ring the bell. Ding! I'm gonna tell you the ingredients. Please note it. Cocoa powder, butter, sugar, milk, salt optional. This is 6 tablespoons of butter. This is 1 cup of cocoa powder. This is powdered sugar. This is 1/3 cup of milk. And this is salt optional. First, we're gonna put the cocoa powder. Now we're gonna put the butter. Okay. Now we're gonna mix it until it turns tasty. So I thought it's so hard to mix, so I think we need a spoon. So we got a spoon, so we're gonna mix it with it. We're gonna smush it and mix it with a spoon. I feel like it's more easier, so I can take some spoon. Let's mix it more and more. Okay. But if you need, so take one of those blenders you have and blend it, because then it's more easier for you guys. I feel like it's too hard to mix and it looks like clay and paste, so I think we need to go to the next step. Now we're gonna take the pan and fill it up with boiling water, and then we're gonna put this on top. And then we're gonna melt it, but make sure your parents help you do the boiling water. And while we're gonna mix it, I think it's gonna be more easier to you guys to mix it. Now the pan is already having boiling water, and now we just gotta mix it. So we're gonna mix it more and more. I think it's kind of hard, but it's good. I think it's gonna take a long time to melt, so I'm just gonna try and mix it a lot. Actually, it's not even a little bit turning into chocolate paste. So let's mix it way more until it turns into paste. Probably we need to do the next line almost. I think it's hot enough. Let's go to the next step. Since it's hot now, we're gonna pour the milk. And we're gonna put 1/4 cup of powdered sugar. Now we're gonna mix it well. Mix, 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 mix. And mix more. Mix more. It's so good. We can mix more and more. I think it's good. I feel like now we need to put the chocolate in the icing bag. Let's start. Let's fill it up first. Put this inside here, and we're gonna take a bunch of chocolate. We kept that overnight and it turned 10 hours. And it turned good. We're going to taste it and see how it is. Subscribe my channel and the bell ding.